Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. CBI releases photograph of suspect in Wasco minor rape case. 1 lakh rupee reward for informer Monty. Nickname of culprit. 2 more suspects on radar. Monsoon takes grip. Goa witnesses heavy rainfall. Trees uprooted. Water clogs. City market roofs leak. Commuters face open drains. Met department predicts heavy rainfall. Written off Promote Mutalik. Noted Goan personalities say ban Mutalik's Goa entry at any cost. Says Mutalik is a master of hate speeches. Snake venom racketeer Mohammad Salim gets 4-day police remand. Seizure of 1 liter high-grade snake venom is alarming, says Amrut Singh. And Spain knocked out of FIFA World Cup Brazil. Chile proved too hot for 2010 World Cup champions. Holland beat Australia, move into pre-quarterfinals. Croatia thrashed Cameroon. And now the news in detail. Finally, photograph of prime suspect in Wasco minor girl rape case is out. CBI has released a fresh digital photograph of the suspect to the media. CBI has also announced a reward of 1 lakh rupees for providing vital lead regarding the suspect. CBI sources informed that there are 2 more suspects, one from UP and other from Karnataka, on their radar. CBI has confirmed to Prudent that the nickname of the culprit is Monty. CBI has published a fresh digital photograph of the suspect in Wasco minor girl rape case. CBI official informed Prudent that an expert from Mumbai has made this digital photograph based on the description given by the victim girl and the school teachers who had seen the culprit. A senior CBI officer related with the investigation told Prudent that there are 2 more suspects on the radar, but CBI is looking for information from general public to crack this case. The officer also confirmed that suspect's nickname is Monty and he used to visit that area quite often with a guitar. There was 1 more person who accompanied the accused several times. While 1 suspect is from Karnataka, other from Uttar Pradesh. The CBI officer investigating the matter has stated that prime suspect had long hair with brownish color on the day of crime, but by now there is possibility that accused must have changed his look and hairstyle. This digital photograph is vital as the teachers have confirmed that the picture is very similar to the suspect they had seen. CBI has urged general public to share any information with them related to the suspect on the following numbers: 2459971 or 2459972 or mobile number 8805449997 and 9403686699.
People should not be afraid. Most persons who are educated and who are knowing that justice for this child is very important, they should come forward and help this small child of mine.
The identity of the informer will be kept confidential and accurate informer will be rewarded with 1 lakh rupees. Father of the victim girl has also requested general public to share relevant information with the CBI. Reporter Mukesh Kumar and Dishant Parab for Prudent. Finally, monsoon has gained momentum. Incessant rainfall from past 2 days has created disruptions across the state. Many trees have been uprooted and houses have been damaged. City market roofs are also leaking, making it inconvenient for vendors beneath. Drainages on the road have opened up, posing a threat to the commuters. Met Department has predicted heavy rainfall for the next 3 days in Goa.
Fruit and vegetable vendors in Panchi and Mapsa market are troubled as they have to sit with unfolded umbrellas inside the market. Authorities give false promises of repairing the roof but no action.
Plant काढला याचो 15 दिवस होईतले सांगला आणि किती होईतले आम्ही
अजून करू ना
कोत्तले ना कोरीने म्हणून सगळं तेम सांगता आम्ही आणि किती होईतले
पूरा ऊपर से भी गिरता है, माल खराब होता है। ये निकालो कल डिस्प्ले पे ध्यान देता है, ये ध्यान ही नहीं देता है।
काम बराबर नहीं हो रहा है गटर का। उससे पहले किया था, अभी 4 दिन पहले इधर किया था काम, लेकिन फिर भी पानी नहीं जा रहा है बराबर। हम लोग को इधर बहुत तकलीफ हो रहा है, पानी नहीं जा रहा है। थोड़ा देख करो, म्युनिसिपालिटी में अभी कंप्लेंट करना पड़ेगा।
वर्षाच्या वर्षा येत जातं वर्षा सांगपाचें म्हणजे कितें हांगा उदीक हे भरतात गटार केला पूण उदीक केन्ना वचना उदीक मातशें हांगा ब्लॉकेज उरता कित्याक आनी सांगपाचें म्हणजे असो पावस पडटा उदीक आमची दशा म्हापशान हीच दशा
करपाचें बाबा तूं आतां सांग आमकां कशें कितें आतां आमच्या 5-5 हजारांचो आमी एफर घेता आनी तो आतां कसो घालूं आतां हो पुसता आमी आतां धांपून ठेयला आतां हांगा तेंचे तांदूळ सगळे भिजले फुगले तांदूळ तेंचे पळय ती वाडटात कशी बावली.
This is the area in Talegaon, which is just few meters away from Talegaon MLA's residence. The metal fixation on the road for sewage disposal has been lifted. The school students also use this road, but the PWD officials have no time. A tamarind tree collapsed on a house at Carmona on Wednesday morning. Fire brigade rushed to the spot. 2 more coconut trees got uprooted with this tamarind tree. Strong winds damaged and destroyed the crop and plantation of farmers of Khotigaon on Wednesday.
वारो वाटो वर्सांच येता पूण आमकां लॉस वर्सांच जाता. आमी कोणाक गव्हर्मेंटान कळयलां आसलेलें आमी स्वता हाडून नळ घालताले आनी आतां चड येयलो न्हू तो आतां एकदम चड येयलो आनी हेजे मुखार आमी असो येयलो जाल्यार येदो पावस आमी कशें करून काडटलीं आतां.
एकच बरोबर साम झपाट्याने पावस आनी वारो साम एकदम जोरान येयलो. जोरान येयले साम सगळे हल्ले हा जमीन बी सामकी हल्ल्या सारकी जाली आनी एक साम झपाटो येयलो एक सायडीन असो गेलो तो सामको ऊस आनी केळी आनी कितें आसा पपया बिपया सगळे साम आपटून सामके जमनी मारले आनी झाडे बी मोठी झाड सामकी आपटून दवरली आमची. इतलो झपाट्यान साम वारो येयलो.
इतलो वार येयलो सामके सत्री भितर सगळे भुरग्यांले उडोवन गेले आनी धांवन आयले घरांत. एकटो आमचो भाव धांवत येयलो आनी घरा थंय पावलो तितलो तेजे फाटल्यान एक 2-2.5 मिटराची तितल्यान एक झाड पडलें आनी नळी पडली. तेजी लायटीची वायर आमच्या घरा वयल्यान दुसऱ्या हितून गेल्ली कनेक्शन तेंय तुटून पडलें.
Here's the rainfall received in Goa till Thursday. Walpai Kankon 7 centimeters, Sankli 5 centimeters, Perne Ella Old Goa Margaon Kepe 4 centimeters, Panji 3 centimeters, Mapsa Daboli Ponda 2 centimeters, Mormugaon 1 centimeter. Rainfall with thunderstorm is expected in Goa for another 3 days. Met Department also predicts moderate to heavy rainfall. In isolated places there will be heavy rainfall.
We are getting the rainfall which is improving slowly. Actually, initially this monsoon was started in a weak phase condition. Now it is improving slowly. And today also in all over Goa there was moderate to rather heavy rain. And at Kankona heavy rain was recorded today. So slowly this monsoon is improving. And during next 24 hours also there will be moderate to rather heavy rains with some isolated heavy in some areas.
Winds will be mainly southwesterly at a speed of 45 to 50 km per hour. Sea would also be rough with southwesterly waves. Fishermen are advised not to go out in the sea during next 24 hours. Bureau Report Prudent.
Noted personalities from Goa have shown a thumbs down to Pramod Mutalik's probable entry in the state. Most of them have termed Mutalik as master of hate speeches and expert of riots. Artists like Subodh Kerkar has said that Mutalik should be dumped in jail, while author Damodar Mauzo feels Mutalik will create havoc if given an entry in Goa. Ramesh Gawas and rationalist Somu Rao opined that in democracy, any Indian has right to visit any part of India, but both are not endorsing Pramod Mutalik's presence in Goa.
Hardly a day left for the annual All India Hindu Convention at Ramnath in Ponda, and there is no clear information whether Ram Seni Chief Pramod Mutalik will attend it or not. The organizers have kept the visit of Sri Ram Seni Chief Pramod Mutalik a top secret. The question is, will Goans allow Mutalik to enter the state or will he be banned? Environmentalist Ramesh Gaon says it is a democratic right of any Indian to travel and enter any of the states in India. But Gauss further says Pramod Mutalik is a psychopath with a history of disturbing communal harmony and inflammatory speeches to his credit. He should be kept away from Goa.
आमच्या भारतीय संविधानाच्या अंतर्गत जर पळोवपाक गेल्यार जाल्यार प्रत्येक भारतीयाक ह्या देशांत खंयसरूय फिरपाक संचार करपाक पूर्ण मोकळीक आसा. अनुकूल अशें सरकारी येता अशें म्हणून कोणाकय डोके फिरू मनीस आसतात ना तकली फिरू मनीस आसतात ताका तितून बळ मेळटा. प्रमोद मुतालीक अशा प्रकारचोच मनुष्य जेणी जर गोंयांत प्रवेश केलो आनी नाका जाली भाशणां केली जायत जाल्यार ह्या मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी होम मिनिस्टर म्हणून ताबडतोब ताका गोंयच्या सीमेच्या भायर घालून वचपाचो.
Somu Rao has said Mutalik will have to stay within his limits, abiding law and order if given an entry. Mutalik has no chance as Goa will never adopt his ideologies.
भारतीय घटनेच्या चौकटीत रावन कायदो हातान घेवपाची भाशा करप ना. ते कायदो तलवारी बिलवारी अशें घेतिल्ले हातान घेवचे अशें ताणें म्हणिल्लें अशें म्हणून आयकल्लें हांवें. तसली भाशा ताणें हांगा उलोवपाक जायना.
It's a straight no for Pramod Mutalik from noted author Damodar Mauzo. Mauzo says Mutalik will create havoc in Goa if allowed to expand his wings.
In the wake of Modi's emergence as Prime Minister, ताजे गैरफायदो घेवन हे लोक जे आसा आपली तकली वयर काडपाक सोदतात. तांकां आतांच चिडून दवरपाची गरज आसा. म्हाका दिसना मुतालिकाक गोंयांत येवपाक परमिशन दिवची म्हणून.
Artist Subodh Kirkar says Pramod Mutalik's real place is in the jail and not in Goa.
I think his speeches are absolutely hate speeches. He's talking about every Hindu should have swords. If Mutalik is is hosted in Goa, it's a very bad day for Goa. It's a very sad thing for Goa. I think he deserves to be in the jail.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.